Obofour ya sanso edi ehia ebiemu akaba sonko enkoma obibia muniaba ekiesikapa ena motimini mamunim se motimini se ya na menya bebepiemu se ya na je se ensam no ebi aba na edi se ye kan enunti ena maba abontia ye di eye ensam a edi atentwie ewo eye social media ne Ghana ha wiase fa na nyina ye di ebremu ewo Ghana wahala jumedie yi eso na ebuzia bozi de munim no ye Reverend Obofour na no ada video bi ba bontia na chese ye enam se wono bo Canada Agyapong ekeka ebobo no ensamrane enti no fa ho se se de ya kame ho ansan se minim nyansa de ne ye menso so no de metimi aye a menso me de be praise eye Canada bia menso me ye e de ama no na wo ye wie ye no ebusua de akire echinkuro mu mayembura eye ensam no emu Honorable Canada Agyapong ena Agradaa okotena eye the seashore so na wode eye nyoma boni a ekoso se expose ya se de munim no eno aho dwuma ena wodie wa baba babubo eye endisufo dwuma wo mo edi a won pese wo mo edi sei oye omanyi ebiemu nsusu wode eye na jogezi dia bebeta atom eye endisufo bi nsusu ono nsusu ne ho nsensem eno nsusu wodi ebepiemu na wakeka we nyina wie ye no na wo ha na adwemba no nsusu no se hwe ono konfo Agradaa ne ye Reverend Obofour do omunya wo munse munu no mafo afofra je se makama asemu ti ana no nkyere se mubenya eho aba bebo me ensamran na busua wo kan sem we wie ye no na Ghana for so yiwa na mobeka ya eye na Agradaa wo babonten emre bi atwa modi betu dwa se Reverend Obofour nim na wo kenchim no wo ye na adwen se eye wono bo Canada Agyapong wo de na asem bafoforo no pande a ene na asore wo begu no wo besai no e de ama no na ebiem nsusu Reverend Obofour video babonten ana je se wono susu no wo totuma ne Canada Agyapong na ebi no mo ka se we de Canada so ni mo wo betwa e de abona no e ma wono bo Canada Agyapong e babonten be ka se eye Reverend Obofour se de nka wa target na no wo hwe no pan se nka ba abranti ba beto ne trap mu emra onko hia no wo tepe ye biase ase de no nante nkrofo bi so anu nto oba abonten ebebe kan na ye Reverend Obofour ma meka ehwe no o hwa na je se eye papa no wo ye nyansani ye papa enti anya de se wono wo beka ne ho asemboni bia na so obe ode ne nsempom ebeba ba beto abonten no wo ka sa nsem ni wie na anche kwansin ene Reverend Obofour ba abonten ene obehwe oje ne ko jan o hya atade bread ne fata no tena hot tena na edwam dedemu ene wo kasa na wono bo Canada Agyapong me papa panyi obi a wadi ye ne ayidie e wo se me ye de me kasa me di ni die e ma no mebu ni papa ni mebu no Reverend Obofour ne nsem no eno no na nsem we by too much anfa anka me mu enti no we enya de foforo bia e de emam enti Reverend Obofour kan ye etena se dwemo ema ye wono bo Canada Agyapong fans ewie na nka Ghana fo enim se dear Reverend Obofour ye die wono bo Canada Agyapong enya de se wo beka na asem ba kumposi na nka ebiem wode eye de tosumenu aba to aso na so enu ada o magana fo hu se wonno ye nkrokro no wonno ye nka na asem wo chese wo obeka wa asem na bebeka bibia na no nkyere se ebia wode ho ache wana se ebia wono wo ewo free na obenya nanim adum bi wono de wudi nsem wo obekanfo na adi nsem na wode wonsem ebetu edwane abusu mo nkotie eye ne nsem wo kadefa na Agradaa and Reverend Obofour
Agradaa and Obofour na nobody should use my name anywhere. Who am a fighter? You put up the fight. If you have your evidence, take it to police, take it to court, deal with it. I mean, just small boy. I only want the truth, but I don't want anybody to ride on my back. Hell no, it's not going to happen. What a mistake. I will not forgive you. I'm telling you. Who am a fighter? Munyam fight. Nobody should bring my name in there. But I'm not prepared. I'm here so they are. Remember 12 times. Now listen, and what say?
Yeah, but
and then on that.
We ene eye ne nsemu a wode etu edwa efa eye Reverend Obofour ene Agradaa ehunwe ene eye entrene a wode ema womo na chese womo enhwe yie papa womo enhwe yie womo womo ntokwa bi a womo ekwa womo nhwe na womo endi womo edwuma ne ese course na womo de bekwa womo fanko na se womo di ni dimba for ho pan de ne hell no said o tebrofo no on hwe se wo bi ebe ride at ne back de biara eda na enso se womo ensem ban so de a womfa enche mo wo beka na wode se wetu jana Ghana for si Kennedy honorable ba ko pe wo de wono no ense we na ke ka se we de wa ba be kanfo o man ko mo so aba be show appreciation kenu anu no na so wa kire se an wo otumi ampa wa kire se wa ene wa na wode ense we atu edwa ewie ye no woda ne ye no chese wode ko eye ye nua ba nyuntuni gospel musician Cecilia Marfo eso na eno ene wode ensem bi atu dwa wo kire eye abaya no be be wotie dede wode gu nkrofo asumu speakers wode sisi wo wotete nkrofo wo montam ho ebiemu nsusu no wosa reveal ya kwan ya nanka wono nsusu enka wone eye ne kunu wo montem etiti nyina wode atudwa ena ebiemu wosanso eka ensemo efa eye Cecilia Marfo kwan ya maame bia na ne ba wadi finhia enu 5 years wode ne ba ye na wotimi ye ya ma akwada no ewu ye ne hu koneba no de eye ehu nsamso atudwa no wie ye ena wo ma wono nsusu kokobo momenkotie eho enso ensema wo ka efa.
The next one that I'm coming up with is Cecilia Marfo. Cecilia Marfo, MC yawa pram in TV. That girl, that lady, were evil. Now the neighbors in wabo before demon, whatever. Just say, on the authority and willing authority and on the area, nobody can talk about Cecilia Marfo. Road ya wa block road and walk the area because was say oh a police from so far do baby someone 42 ne dan wo kwan mu a wa police for na moti wa moti so o ti me block kwan say obi anko ma na what the containers in SCC kwan ho sa I've asked the MC to go there to walk and check because it's under Pram constituency. What you say? Now, if you are Obi Daya was see one chance of also a healing. Just a Uba, who are Wosika with Tia, who are Unisika with Tia, the local abandoned building, Ukrainian Obidia. Na toilet cranny so disgusting. We're so fruity. I have a video where trap boys or so pennies in who I even say, where you're small, who are so where you can say, is it? I sorry way I sorry Anna Cecilia Marfo way. What has become of Ghanaians? A 5-year-old boy. Or man, because also obedient. Or you have an instant say the parents in the hospital. Don't not come fix Cecilia Marfo. Or to a 5-year-old boy, she has to be arrested. Woman coffee or no more the type of people and Merwa form Merwani for 70 going. Why is a slave? How wicked can you be, Obabesia? How wicked can you be?
Or a bad time zoo.
What? That Ghana is Jesus Christ. I don't know what is wrong with all this. Black people. I say religion is the opium of the masses, like our Marx.
Opium.
Oh! One good uncompleted, one cut toilet, I want to perform. What? What kind of baby is this? So disgusting. Cecilia Marfo, when I now umpire for deliverance, he said, me, umpire, because the truth and the God in me is greater than yours. You, the fake woman, your time. They say, me more time, me never be dealing until I create awareness in this country for Ghanaians to take their destiny into their own hands and work hard and stop relying on these fake pastors. What has become of Ghanaians? They don't be way by. Why? Say, or buy what to or voice power. You who yarn it said, or the Asoria become. Now, the neighbor speakers, EPA should go there and check.
Environmental Protection Agency.
Yeah, EPA go and check. Obviously, if you have a peace of mind. No, they fake a new man when the speakers will bought a dance here, disturbing everybody. Why? What kind of religion is that? I was so bema anything. One way, who the son, who will wait, the son. And I mean, was that me the video this one? I could be in a concert. Fat, Nikuneti or whatever. I don't know.
Way a year and someone and no so can a day a year Cecilia Marfo and so and catch and this one or mrepan a day a man with banners or one in a tree anyone no a bed 3 year pan and see when you not a year and say we went to Ghana for see honorable Canada Agyapong with the old boy Juma a Juma pan and Wobo eno ebinom enso so ebo eye say eka say wona bo kenele pon wa ya de pa say wo ma Reverend Obofour ene na Agradaa wo ma hunu say wo mu entimi mfa ni din enhwahwa wo mu ho enye de wo mu epebia ememe gina ho na ono abo mechiawo ena mebu me papa panyi me di ni die ma say wa ya de pa say wo ma hunu wo mo limit ene enyoma wo mu betimi anye ni wo mu entimi enye na ebiem nsusu no wo mo hunu say womo asemba so waka cho mo so mo yenyansafo no nko enkyere se womo asemba womo enka entino womo ma womo eni enna honum wei ene eye ensem no ebi Ghana fo binom ede ebetu edwa efo wono bo Canada Japan ne expose this time awode eba ye no ehu na se de ye kan ye no da ya so ewo from too much de ensem no edomu esuko eye den ya wukwada ewo ya hena no heya wode ensem no bi ensoso eba ba betu edwa ne yemfa bibia enkamenu ye de ni nyina eba ba begu apono se de be ya mo so behu ne ekoso ewo omaimu na mani nsusu etumi ada honum se aboa wo aha ene brebe man kwan ama medi dwumade no esi na medi dwumade ho kira me medin ene ekuyesi kapa ebiem nso no message o be share videos no subscribe to your channel no so wonya ya follow your IG page so @B0mbsheII_ na emrepem ne yede maginchi nyina ebetu edwa ede amam desene ye besane share makramo
the major prophet kum chacha on say me catch was say bomoden na hwe too much GH on say me kan ye nye ne bone pa ne kase ye pe wo wiase ya asondin ti na adam wo hu nyame ye no nyam no wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ne ade kat won na bomoden na be hwe too much GH be hwe ne subscribe bomoden o be hwe pe na wa ye subscribe o subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne ma pe a wo pe ne ma papa a wo pe ahwe nyame hira na